Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled onions and carrots. Start by sterilizing jars and prepping vegetables so they are clean and evenly sliced. Combine vinegar, water, salt, and sugar in a pot and heat just until dissolved. Pack jars tightly with vegetables and herbs, pour hot brine over them, and seal. Let jars cool to room temperature before refrigerating for best flavor development. Measure ingredients precisely to ensure consistent flavor and safety. Slice onions thinly and cut carrots into 1/4-inch rounds or sticks for even pickling. Warm the brine until salt and sugar fully dissolve, then remove from heat so aromatics infuse without overcooking vegetables. Pack jars tightly, leaving a little headspace, pour brine to cover, and seal while hot. Refrigerate and wait at least a day for optimal crunch and tang. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is a fun pick for keeping your car smelling fresh after shopping for onions and carrots. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more tasty preserves with you. I link the product and other deals in the description, so check there for details and savings. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on consistent slicing and heat control to achieve crisp, flavorful pickles. Blanching carrots briefly softens them while preserving crunch, while onions can be raw for sharper bite. Pour brine hot to evacuate air and help seal jars, but cool jars to room temperature before refrigerating. Taste after one day and adjust future batches by modifying sugar, salt, or vinegar for your preferred balance of sweet, salty, and tangy notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.